The weekend is going to be a very, very busy one. So it is at almost 9 p.m. now. I'm heading out to go do some shopping to get some baking supplies because I work now, and because I have work, I have to shop now so I can start baking very soon. Oh, it's almost 8, not almost 9. I am so cold, it's freezing. Alright, we are at Aldi's now. I'm gonna get a few things. We definitely need some eggs. Oh boy. I think I'll just take this. Alright, so we get some eggs. I need some icing sugar. Alright, I'll just take all of that. I need some granulated sugar. I think I'm going to take about 6 of this. I then picked up some cocoa powder and some other bits. I know people are going to ask, why don't you buy these things in bulk? Guys, I live in a flat and I do not have space for big old bag of flour, big old bag of sugar, big old bag of this. And honestly, when I buy them in big bags, I really don't see the difference in the pricing from when I buy from supermarkets like Aldi. So I just buy things as I need them. I picked up some chocolate. I need some fondant icing. I use these fondant when I'm making like edible images for my cakes or I'm making figures. I don't use the premium quality fondant to make figures. I just used any store-bought one and it works really well. Of course, we need some butter to make our buttercream. We have a lot of buttercream to make this weekend, so I'm going to pick up like 40 blocks of unsalted butter. This is why I add a little bit of salt to my buttercream when you see me making it on live, because I use unsalted butter. I love using these perfect for cakes, margarine tubs for baking. It works really well. So I'll pick up about 8 of those. I need some heavy cream now to make my chocolate ganache, and pick those up. Listen, whenever I'm baking, I use full cream, full fat milk. We need the whole cream and fat inside there to give us that nice cake. And Aldi's definitely giving the Christmas vibe. Lots of decorations, lots of advent calendars. I love doing these with Octavia, so I think I'm going to get that one. That one is really cute. I'm not getting it now, but I'll come back for my little Christmas bits. I cannot do without some kitchen roll. I use these things so often, so I bought some of that. My favorite cereal, some oats, and look at that, my first time seeing this chocolate covered Biscoff cookie. I didn't buy it, but just for you guys to know. Anyways, I'm going to play a little game with you all. The person that comes the closest to my shopping total, I will send you out a cake slice or a cake jar. If you're not in the UK, you can claim any of my recipes. Have a good night. Until next time, keep on baking.